Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm here to explain you about a website and I'll also explain GTech Electronic Shop Legit. So guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not, and if you have experienced any fraud over this website then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us guys and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website and you can see it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including game consoles of different brands like Xbox Series, PC gaming, PS4, PS5, PlayStation, Xbox One, Xbox 360 and electronic items including cell phones, speakers, TV and monitors, drones, accessories, headsets and various accessories including the electronic items, that is wristwatches or charging case, wireless charging case, earbuds, AirPod, etc. So these are the offerings information guys, and talking about the prices, so the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's check out the payment information of this website. And talking about the payment info guys, let's check out. So they have not mentioned any payment information section, which is not a good sign. And apart from that, if you check any product information, you will find the product description of a particular product, which is a good sign, but they have not mentioned any information related to payment, which is a negative sign guys. Now let's talk about the shipping policy of this website. For that you need to visit the shipping section, which is given in the menu option button, and here you can get the information related to standard shipping duration. So guys, this time here is showing not found, or you can say an error, which is not a good sign. Let's try again to find out the standard shipping duration. So again, I'm not able to view the standard shipping duration guys, but let's check out the ordering FAQ again to view the information. So guys, I'm not able to view the shipping policy due to the website error, which is not a good sign. But anyways, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And starting with the first and important factor, so guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information guys, the domain name was created on 8th of October 2020. So this site is approx 3 months old, so we can't judge this website on this vector. And guys, according to our study, we have found that this particular site is registered for 1 year only. Now let's check out the about us information to know more about this website. For that you need to visit the menu option button, and here you can find the about us page. So this is the about us page guys. They have mentioned fake about us information, or it seems to be copied as well, which is not a good sign and define its suspiciousness. Apart from that, talking about contact details of this website, you need to visit the contact us page. Here is the contact us page, and they have provided a query form, and apart from that they have also mentioned contact number and email address, which seems to be fake guys. Yes guys, and the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, but they have not provided the legit information. The address which is given on the bottom of the web page is a fake address. You will not get anything on the Google Maps. Apart from that, guys, the site has no social media presence at all. The given social media icons are inactive and misleading. When you click those social media icons, you will be redirected to the home page of the website, which is a red high alert. And talking about return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy page. So guys, I'm not able to view return policy of this website because the FAQ section or ordering shipping page is not opening due to the error. But here they have not provided any information. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about GTech Electronic Shop legit reviews, guys, we have found no customer reviews about this site on the internet as well as on the official website, which is a red high alert. And this particular site seems to be not much popular online because the particular site has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. Apart from that, this website is ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. And guys, most of the scam and problematic sites use duplicate content, and this is one of the suspicious sites that has used the content of other websites, which is a characteristic of a scam website. Apart from that, they have also used cropped and fake images, so which is a negative sign. So in the final conclusion, the website appears to be scam. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it is a fake online store. For money related problem, guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.